friends, I'm very excited to introduce you to these products because they have been, well, 2 of them have been asked for so long, and I'm finally getting them out there. It's funny because people will ask for things, and yes, usually they're already in the queue to get done, but it's like we only release a certain amount of things a month, so it sometimes just has to get put in line, and that's what happens. So ready, set, here we go. Stitched rectangles. Stitch squares and regular squares, and yes, they go together, so they layer together, which is very exciting. And these have been asked for and begged, and people, every time I see people, they always say, when are the stitch squares coming out? Well, here they are, and our price is unbelievable. So check out the price because you're going to fall in love. The other item I have to share with you is something that I released with Sizzix. It's this cute little mini Gumball machine, and look at how small it is on the back. You can see how cute it is, but it's almost like a triplet because it has a lot of different pieces with it, and there's lots that mix and match on this one, and I have fun samples to share with you. So let's look at them. First of all, squares. You can't go wrong with squares. Isn't that fun? This is just a stamped image that was cut and then just layered and pop dotted up. Isn't that fun? Oh, here's that cute little mini Gumball machine, which is so much fun. It's so adorable and so cute. Here's another one, the mini Gumball machine turned into a shaker box on a mini stand-up, which is, you can't get cuter than that, can you? It's adorable. And then here we go, another one, shake, 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 and this one has cute little confetti in it, which is so cute. Stitch squares, look at that. The squares will fit on all of our square items. So our square flip-its, this is our 5x7 flip-it square. Look at that, woo, 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 fun. Here's another one, same idea, the squares, look at that, awesome. Now make sure you check out our idea gallery. We have lots of other ideas on our website. Club members, of course you get the club discount on these products, so make sure you log in and then you'll get that club discount. And if you're not a club member, you need to join the stampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and see why it's so awesome and why you need to join. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.